Hello everyone, welcome to the Auto Price channel. When it comes to the world's most successful electric SUVs, few names can match the popularity of the Tesla Model Y entering the 2027 model year. Tesla has further refined the Model Y with several significant upgrades. So, what are the complete updates to the 2027 Tesla Model Y? Let's take a closer look. At first glance, the 2027 Tesla Model Y retains Tesla's signature minimalist design. The front end now appears more futuristic with a new, cleaner, and more aerodynamic bumper design. The latest generation of Matrix LED headlights boast a sleeker design and are equipped with adaptive high beam technology, which automatically adjusts lighting without dazzling other vehicles. The hood is lowered, improving aerodynamic efficiency. On the side, the design remains simple without many sharp lines. The electric flush door handles are retained. Wheels are available in sizes from 19 inches to 20 inches. The latest wheels use an aerodynamic design to help improve battery efficiency. The rear end has also undergone updates. The LED taillights now use full-width light bar technology that stretches from left to right. The rear bumper also features a new diffuser to help reduce air turbulence. Now, once inside the cabin, the biggest changes are immediately apparent. Tesla offers a much more luxurious interior than before. Soft touch materials now dominate the dashboard. LED ambient lighting now surrounds almost the entire cabin. The dashboard design remains minimalist without physical buttons. All vehicle settings are controlled through the center display. The seats use the latest generation of vegan leather, which feels softer. The rear seats are also more comfortable. The backrest angle is now electrically adjustable. Legroom is very generous. Headroom remains generous thanks to the panoramic glass roof. Tesla has also improved sound insulation. The cabin is now much quieter, especially when driving on the highway. One of the Model Y's biggest strengths remains its trunk capacity. The rear trunk has a capacity of approximately 854 liters. Tesla offers several variants. Rear-wheel drive, uses a single electric motor. Estimated power output, approximately 300 horsepower and acceleration, 0-100 km per hour in approximately 5.8 seconds. Long Range AWD, uses 2 electric motors. Total power output, approximately 420 horsepower and acceleration, 0-100 km per hour in approximately 4.5 seconds. Tesla supports ultra-fast charging, uses the latest supercharger V4. Charging 10% to 80% in approximately 18-20 minutes. Estimated global price for the 2027 Tesla Model Y is approximately $46,000 for the Model Y rear-wheel drive and $52,000 for the Model Y long-range AWD. The 2027 Tesla Model Y demonstrates how an electric SUV can continue to evolve without losing its identity. If Tesla can maintain production quality, expand its after-sales service network, and continue developing its charging and software ecosystem, the 2027 Tesla Model Y has the potential to maintain its position as one of the most sought-after electric SUVs in the world for years to come. So, what do you think of the 2027 Tesla Model Y? Is this electric SUV a worthy choice for the future? Share your thoughts in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest automotive reviews. See you in the next video.